My name is Sandra Munoz Alvarez and I'm a freelance filmmaker based in London. I make film for families, businesses and the community. But I also provide filming, editing and internet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how internet can change your life, save you time and money and help you to do what matters most, like keeping in touch with friends and families, looking after your health, finding out what's going on in your area, listening to your favorite music, watching your best TV show on your phone even when it's not on, and many other things that are important to you. The first thing that you're going to need is an email address. Your email will allow you to download apps and logging into websites. So, are you ready to see how internet can change your life? Well, imagine waking up in the morning. While you are having your breakfast, you can catch up on the latest news, check when is the next bus, and see if you need to bring along an umbrella. You can find all this information online or through a variety of apps that can be downloaded into your phone. Life can get so busy, but the internet can help you save a lot of time every day. No need to wait in line at the supermarket, carry heavy shopping, or visit several shops to compare prices. You can do that online and have your shopping delivered directly to your home. Fancy a nice break? The internet has many holiday packages online, tailored for every budget and every ages. And if you really look at all the offers, you can find very good deals, especially if you book them in advance or at the last minute. There are also many apps that offer discounts to various getaway, items, restaurant meal, or even experiences. You can also learn about public services in your area or find out about interesting events happening in your city. What if the kids need to do a research for a school project? All the information you could find at the library is available online and more. And don't forget that you can use the internet to stay in touch with friends and family in other towns, cities and all over the world. Just download your favorite apps from Google Play or Apple Store. Now you can see how the internet can be used to make your life easier. So go on, get connected. With internet, you can never get bored. The more you are using the internet, the more you will learn. And if you need additional help, Keepsake Video is now offering tailored tutorial and one-to-one tuition. Contact me if you want to know how to use a specific app or need an extra help on how to get the most of your phone or your tablet. Don't forget to subscribe down below and share your best app or website in a comment to help others.